Ever felt like a casual flirtation suddenly turned into a serious commitment? Now that's the thrill of stepping into direct investments. Intimate and full of unexpected delights. Welcome to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we're peeling back the layers of direct versus indirect investments in commercial real estate. Now, what are direct investments? They are that intense connection you decide to deepen. You own the property, making every critical decision from tenant selection to management strategies. Now, this path isn't just about playing the market. Be careful, it's a full commitment engaging you in every pulse of your investment's life. Now, it's perfect for those who thrive on close, hands on relationship where the reward can mirror the passion of a newfound love. On the other hand, indirect investments are like the carefree, no strings attached relationships. Now, those are some magic words for few of you, but you put your money into funds or REITs and let experienced managers handle the nitty gritty. It's all the romance of earning from real estate without the daily drama. No emergency repairs, no tenant disputes, just the quiet joy of steady returns filling your bank account. Now, why should you care about these options? It really comes down to your investment style. Do you crave control and potentially higher rewards of active management? Or do you prefer the laid back approach, spreading spreading your risks and enjoying those returns without the sweat? Now, think about what suits you best. Direct investments demand your time and energy, like a committed relationship. Indirect investments, on the other hand, while less demanding, require trust in others to manage your financial interests effectively. Now, as you ponder these paths, let's tease what's coming up next. If the thought of investing in bustling retail spaces excites you, don't miss out our next episode. We're going to dive into the glamorous world of investing in retail properties, exploring how these high traffic areas can turn a tidy profit. Before you go though, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios. Got questions or need advice tailored to your investment journey? Feel free to reach out. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of real estate investments with ease and confidence. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real, estate